Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to use analog adjustment port of PLC S7-200, CPU 222 and CPU 223 XP. Okay, so for analog adjustment port, if we choose CPU 222, yes, we can use only one part of analog adjustment, okay, that we call SM28, yeah, for port 0. And if we choose the CPU 224 HP or another CPU, we can use two parts of analog adjustment that we can use port 0 for SMB28 and port 1 used for SMB29. Okay, so in this video I will show about CPU 222 first, okay, that we can use only port 0 for SMB 28 only. Okay, so here is the sample program that I already created for show to everyone. Yes, but we can test together after I explain this presentation. Okay, so let's go to write sample program for test with analog adjustment for this CPU. Okay, so let's go. So first open Step7 MicroWinV. Yes, right now I will use version 4 service page 9. Yes, for Step7 MicroWinV. And for SMB28 is the by memory. Yes, so basically we can use the by memory. We can use move by or something to got data from the CPU. Okay, so we can comment. We are learning about PLC S7-200 programming. Yes, analog adjustment. Okay, for CPU 222. Okay, so basically we can use always on. Yes, SM 0.0 is always on, that we will create the block for move the by value. Yes, by data type. So to got data from the CPU, let's go to move. Yes, and use move by. Yes, and type SMB 28. Yes, it is the port 0 that we will get the data from port 0 adjustment. Yes, and here we can write VB because it by memory. Example VB 100. Yes, okay, like this, and we can compile. Yes, error 0. So let's download to the PLC and then start adjustment to see the raw value of SMB28. Yes, I will download to the PLC. Okay, run and then go to online. Okay, good. So right now you see the existing data that link from the CPU is 166. Yes. So if I adjust the if I adjust the port 0, okay, let me zoom a little bit for go to option and then zoom in. Yes, zoom in a little bit. Okay, online again. Okay, good. So let's see here. Is the existing raw value from the CPU 222? Yes. If I make adjustment, okay, I will make adjustment. So let me show the part that I will adjust. Okay, right now you see the port 0. Let me adjust the port 0. Yes, use the screwdriver, but adjust should be slowly. Yes, and let's see the data. Maximum data is 255. Yes, you see, right now is maximum. If I would like to adjust something, I just decrease. Yes, use the screwdriver for decrease. You see the value show 0. Okay. Okay. So if we would like to use this data, how to use? Okay, let me show. If I use this data to compare with the format to control some output, we can control. Okay, so if VB 100 less than, example 100 or 200, then I will turn on Q 0.0. Okay, so we can use comparison. Yes, if less than 200, right? So if less than 200, so we will use less than by, yes, 200. Yes, so VB copy and paste less than 200. Okay, then I will turn on. Okay, turn on output Q 0.0. Okay, if VB 100 greater than 200, then I will turn on Q 0.1. Okay, so if, okay, we can use greater than by and VB. Yes, VB 100 greater than 200. Yes, then I will turn on Q 0.1. Okay, like this. So we can got the value from the port 0 and then control the output of PLC. Okay, so let's compile. Okay, error 0, and then download to the PLC again, and then let's test again. Good. Okay, online. So let's see here. VB 100 less than, yes, it's so right now 70 swing something 69 70 something, yes, so less than 200, right? So it turn on output to 0.0. Okay, if I make adjustment, okay, I will adjust. Okay, right now you see the Q 0.0 is turned on. So if I adjust the port 0 again, if I increase, yes, you see the logic will change to start Q 0.1 because the value is greater than 200. Okay, you see. So if everyone would like to convert or do something, example like this, okay, I will example one more. If I convert this one, so I take convert from byte to integer, example, convert from byte to integer. Convert from byte to integer, yes. So I will use SM0.0 for always on, otherwise we cannot compile, yes. So I will use SMB28, and then I will use VB0, example VB0, sorry, integer integer, so press F1 to see, yes. Output should be VW, yes, or VD. I can use VW0, yes, like this. Okay, so let's download again and see the value, and we can use the comparison or calculation from this value, so we can just adjust the value we can use to link another program from the port 0. Okay, so if I multiply, yes, if I would like to use the value greater than this one, I can multiply, yes. So go to math, yes, we can add more or multiply, yes, integer, you see. So VW0 multiplied by 10, example VW 10, yes, like this. We can use another function to control the program that got data from the port 0 or SMB 28. Okay, let's see here. I just got only 255, but I can multiply by 10 and I will got 2550. So if I decrease, yes, I will decrease the value. Let's see here. is vary also. Yes, you see. So this is a just example that we can use the port 0 of analog adjustment of CPU 222. Yes, S7-200. Okay. So it's very important if we use this part, we can adjust the program inside the program by no need to connect with the computer or something. If we link the program, example adjust the timer or counter setting, we can do also. Okay. So I hope this video will got information to everyone or new knowledge for everyone also that learn about PLC S7-200. And I would like to say thank you very much for watching my video, and I would like to ask everyone to like, share and subscribe my channel also to got new notification and new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.